So here's the exact setup that I would use for creating an AI voice agent for the real estate niche. So first things first, I am in Retell AI. That is an awesome software, especially if you're looking for an AI voice agent that sounds very clear, that speaks very fast, that has a great response time, and that you can adjust a lot of different variables such as tone, voice temperature, and then also your voice provider has a ton of different speed options. So I highly recommend Retell AI. But I'm going to go ahead and dive in here. I'll click on create an agent, and then from here I will choose between conversational flow, single prompt, multi-prompt, custom LLM. I'm going to go ahead and click on single prompt for now, and then I will click on start from blank. From here, I'll go ahead and add in my name, and I actually already have one that I got ready here, so I'll go ahead and paste this in. And then now the next thing that I'll have to do is I'll have to go ahead and select my voice. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this right here, and then you can actually go through and listen to every single one of these different voices. I personally prefer Grace that we've used for a lot of different builds, so I will go ahead and find Grace. I'll click on play so I can actually listen to what this sounds like.
Hey, I'm Grace, your virtual
If I'm okay
assistant
with
at
what
your
that sounds
Hey,
like, I'll
I'm
go
Grace,
ahead
your
and
virtual
click
assistant at
on
your service
use,
for all your
and then from
needs, from
here,
answering
I'm going
questions
to
to
move
completing
on to
tasks.
the settings for the speed, the voice tone, the warmth, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this on Auto 11 Labs version 2. I can go ahead and change the different things. This will change the price as far as like the usage, and you'll see that at the top here for exactly what it costs. So I'll leave this on the default. For voice speed, I like to come in and go somewhere between 1.8 and then 1.15 ish, depending on exactly what I'm looking to do. So I will put this at 1.1. Voice temperature, I usually leave that alone. You can mess with this depending on exactly how you want the agent to sound. And then voice volume, this I will usually turn up for whatever reason. It seems like every single time I build an AI voice agent using Retell AI, it's a little bit on the more quiet side as compared to other software like maybe SynthFlow. So I'll go ahead and click on save there. And then now I'm going to go ahead and start going through the functionality, knowledge base, speech settings. So I'll go ahead and mess with this first. So speech settings, I want to basically just give this a little bit of background noise so it sounds a little more realistic. And then I'll go ahead and click on coffee shop. And then from here, I can actually decide how loud I want that to be. So I want this to be fairly subtle. So I will leave this at about 0.5. Responsiveness, I'm just going to leave this exactly where it's at. This is going to be what affects how fast the AI voice agent responds. So obviously responsiveness, this can be too fast. It might be not fast enough. Generally speaking, I'll leave this somewhere around like 75% or maybe just above 50%, but I probably don't want to leave it here for the whole time, but I'll go ahead and test that when I'm doing optimizations. Interruption sensitivity, this allows this to be a little bit more human-like. So if I'm talking to the AI voice agent and it gives me, hey, would you like XYZ? If it's asking me a question and I'm like, and then it has another question,